Let's start with a pocket-sized powerhouse that redefines what a flashlight can do. The WooBen E7 is no ordinary torch. It's a compact, rechargeable flashlight that pumps out a powerful beam bright enough to light up your entire path. But here's the clever twist. The tail has a strong magnetic base, so you can stick it to a car hood, a workbench, or even the side of a metal pole, freeing up your hands while you work. Whether you're fixing something under the sink, camping in the wilderness, or dealing with a late-night power outage, it's built to handle it. With multiple brightness levels, a rugged aluminum body, and USB-C fast charging, it's the kind of tool you'll end up keeping close, just in case. Now, let's bring the focus in a little closer. Literally. You're curled up in bed, the room is dark, and you're halfway through a great book or scrolling on your e-reader. Instead of blinding yourself with a bright overhead light, you clip on this Do-n-Will's USB rechargeable reading light. It's small, feather light, and the flexible neck lets you aim the beam exactly where you need it. The warm, eye-friendly glow has adjustable brightness, so you can go soft and cozy for nighttime reading or bump it up for a sharper view. Since it's USB rechargeable, there's no battery hunt. Just plug it in, and it's ready to go again. Perfect for travel, studying, or those nights when you just don't want to disturb anyone else in the room. From late-night reading, we jump straight into the kitchen, and this next gadget is about to make cooking cleaner and smarter. The Dwell ZA Kitchen Olive Oil Sprayer is designed to give you the perfect, even mist every time. That means no heavy drizzles, no messy puddles, just a fine spray that coats your pan, your salad, or your roast evenly. It works with all kinds of oils, vinegar, or even soy sauce, making it a versatile addition to your cooking routine. Because you use less oil with better coverage, it's healthier and more efficient. And the sleek stainless steel design means it's something you won't mind leaving out on the counter. Finally, meet the king of kitchen organization, the PrepDeck Meal Prep and Storage Station. If you've ever struggled with a messy counter while cooking, this is about to change everything. It's a fully loaded prep station with multiple ingredient containers, cutting boards, and built-in tools like graters, slicers, and juicers, all designed to help you prepare meals faster and cleaner. Every container is labeled and stackable, so you can chop, measure, and store ingredients in one place. Once you're done, it all folds up neatly, turning your kitchen chaos into a streamlined, organized system. Whether you're batch cooking for the week or making a quick dinner, PrepDeck feels like having your own little professional kitchen setup at home. 4 gadgets, 4 different worlds: lighting your path, lighting your pages, upgrading your cooking, and streamlining your meal prep. But they all have one thing in common. They take the everyday and make it better. Links to all of them are in the description. If even one of these made you think, "Yep, I need that," hit the like button, drop a comment telling me your favorite, and subscribe. Because tomorrow, we've got another lineup of genius gadgets you won't want to miss.